Hi everyone. So how do we do email forwarding? First of all, you need to know where you want to send the email to, and you have to know where the emails are coming from. So in our school, we have two accounts. We have the Sunway Education.info Gmail account, and we also have our Microsoft account. If you want to send from your Microsoft account to the Gmail account, this is how you do it. First of all, you need to go to the online Microsoft email account. You can't access it through Outlook. In this case, in order to change the forwarding settings, you have to do it through the online version. And that's available from my login.microsoftonline.com. This exact thing, type it in exactly as you see it here. Press enter, and then it'll prompt you to sign in. So if you already have signed in before, you can just click the button, or it might just look like this, where you have to put in a sign in option. And you put in your username, in my case, lands@sunway.edu.my, press next, then enter the password, press sign in. Now, in this case, in my case, I have it set up so it automatically opens my email right away. However, you may also have yours look like something like this, where it's the home screen. So in this home screen, you end up with a bunch of pop-ups. It's going to tell you to get certain things and whatnot. But what we want to find is the Outlook option. So we open that. It takes us to the Outlook panel here. And then from here, we need to go up to the corner and find the settings. And then we have to go to, so we click the settings. It should open up like this. And then you scroll down and you should be able to find mail. From here, you have a collection of different mail settings. And in here, we just need to find the option on the left for forwarding. So we go down here, we find forwarding here, and then we check the box here, start forwarding. And we type in an email address here. So I type in singil@sunwayeducation.info. And then I also check the box to keep a copy of forwarded messages. And I press save. And when this is finished, once it's confirmed, now all of my emails from my Outlook account are going to be forwarded to my Gmail account. And that's all. That's it. And the best thing to do to check to make sure that it works is to go back to your emails. And then the next time you get an email, check that you got the email here, and then check that you also got the email in your other account. If you have any other questions, don't forget to post in the comments or send me a direct message. And don't forget to like the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of the videos that we put out. Thanks for watching.